create a landing page with HubSpot free AI content writer. So you can see right here that I've already signed up to HubSpot. Now from this dashboard, just hover to your left sidebar until you can see this option for content. Head over and click on that, and here you can see this option for landing pages. Click on that landing pages right here, and then from in there, you can see the landing page that will actually help you with AI. So in here, you can drive customers to your page with your landing pages. Head over and click on this get started right here, and then it will ask you to create a page. So for this one, let's just add in here a landing page. If you haven't created a website yet, you can also do so by just watching our previous video about creating a website with this specific tool in this case. So head over and click on this create page right here. And then from in there, this will load in order to show you the content right. So here's our content creator right here. You can select the theme that you want. So you can change the theme you want in here as well. So here are some things that you can choose from. Some are about page, blank page, conference, content, homepage, and in here you can see under here is the landing page when you can book a meeting. You can click through. You can also put in here a simple conversation or also a video. So for this one, I'll head over and then select a video. This because I'm actually a clothing store and I want to promote their products using those videos. Head over and click on the select template right here. Once you have selected that, it will show you your landing page from in there. So here it is right here. So this is just a template. So let's tailor it to our liking. Click on the chat right here. And then this will open the chat yours. Now from in there, you should be able to see this option called personalize. When you click on that personalize right here, you might be redirected to the HubSpot pricing. And in here, you can personalize your content, but this comes with a subscription of $15 per month. So it's up to you if you want to buy this. Heading back in here, you can actually just edit it out according to your liking. You can edit out the actual text right here. You can edit out the paragraphs as well as everything from in here. So you can actually personalize this with AI once you have head over and then subscribe to the personalization content that they have right here. You can also see in here advanced thing wherein you can add source code and show blocks and everything right here that you can see from there. Under the more page, you can also put in here some more options for your actual things. And in here, you can see this AI content assistant. Head over and click on that and you can generate heading, paragraph, or subsection. So for example, for this case, let's generate a heading. And then from in there, you can put in here a lead. So for example, let's also put in here our clothing store inclusive of body shapes. So you can put that and then you can click on this generate option that we have right here in order to generate the heading that you want for you. So just wait for this, and in here you can see this. Head over and click on insert, and then it will be added right there. So you can actually just use that on every paragraph, heading, you can insert paragraph, subsections, and the like. So that's how you create a landing page with HubSpot free AI content writer. Hope we helped.